Okay guys, if you haven't noticed on Khan Academy, I did post some new assignments for this week, and I'll start doing that. I'll try to complement my alternate assignments with any new assignments in Khan Academy. And the bottom line, I found out on Khan Academy there may be something missing, which is graphing quadratic inequalities. I'm going to look further, but I couldn't search it and find it immediately. But I found something just as important. Let's just focus on what a solution for inequality is. The good news is, guys, this is so easy to learn and do. There's no reason why you should not do this. Okay? So, if you did not get the assignment or don't know how to find it, again, all you have to do, guys, is go and just search it on Khan Academy, right? Remember the eyeglass window? Just type this in there. Solutions of inequalities. Algebraic. Algebraic means we're going to solve it on paper instead of with a graph. All right? Watch how easy this is. Look at this one right here. They're saying, hey, we got this 0.11. Is it a solution to this inequality? Well, how do we know, guys? We just simply plug it in. Look, we know our points are always XY coordinates, right? Let's plug in 1 for X. See what I'm doing here? I'm just plugging in 1 for X and 1 for Y. I just plugged it in for X and Y, right? X is 1, Y is 1. Let's see. 6 times 1 is 6. 10 times 1 means I'm minus 10. Is negative 4 greater than or equal to 9? Of course not. Negatives are never greater than positive numbers, right? And you would just click on no, and you'd get it right. And all you have to do is what? 3 or 4 of these, and you get full credit for it. Let's look at this one here. Is 2, 4 a solution? Well, let's plug in 2 for X. Let's plug in the 4 for Y. And let's see what happens. 2 times 2 is 4. 7 times 4 is 28. There's a minus, so we have a 4 minus 28. 4 minus 28 is negative 24. If you have to, guys, use a calculator, but I hope you can do this without. Guys, is a big negative smaller than or equal to, that's actually a negative 10, a smaller negative? And the answer is yes. Remember, the bigger the negative means the more you owe, the more you lost. That's a smaller value or quantity than a smaller negative. Where you see, the negative 10 means you lost, but you lost less. So, is this true? This one we would say yes. We'd get credit, we'd move on to the next one. All right, let's just do one more. They want us to check negative 5, negative 5. How are we going to do it? We're going to plug in negative 5 for Y. We're going to plug in this case, negative 5 for X. Watch your signs there. So we have negative 5 is supposed to be greater than or equal to. That's a 10 plus the 4 is 14. Is negative 5 greater than or equal to a positive 14? No. And so, guys, after this, all you have to do is maybe 1 or 2 more, and you got it done. The bottom line, guys, is I hope you understand the idea that when we solve these inequalities, our answers mean something. In other words, when we plug it back in, it works, right? And so there is a nice, simple assignment that I just gave to you. No reason why you can't do it, guys. Let's do it. Get some credit. Let's move on to bigger and better things.